This is a tower studio here at Disney's Riviera Resort. Today we will be looking at room 8523. I would like to thank Becky and Tom for allowing us to review their room while they are here on vacation. I have a key card here that I can use to enter the room. So let's head on in here and take a look. As we enter our tower studio here at Disney's Riviera Resort, you'll notice that this is a very, very tiny room. This is all you get. These rooms are intended to sleep 2 adults for shorter vacations, but you can use these for longer vacations as well. You'll notice over here on the left side of the wall, you do have a 2-cushion couch, which does convert down into a queen-size pull-down Murphy bed for sleeping at night. In front of the couch, you do have these 2 individual ottomans that do convert into tables if you would like, and you can also lift these up to reveal additional storage. Across from your couch and your bed, you do have a 55-inch full-screen HD TV that is hotel and room specific. Underneath of the TV, you do have a shelf and table, which does come equipped with a Hey Disney Amazon Alexa device, one available 120-volt outlet, your TV remote, and they did also leave us a washcloth and some hand towels here in the shape of a Mickey Mouse. Additional storage space is available on the shelf right underneath, and you do also get a wastebasket included in your room as well. On either side of your couch and your bed, you do have some shelving options and some amenities for the room. Starting here on the left, you do have a microwave oven to reheat food in the room, underneath which you have this door that does reveal a small beverage cooler that does actually get down to refrigerator temperatures, so you can store things like refrigerated medicines and small food items in here to keep them safe. You have 2 drawers immediately to the right of the refrigerator, a shelf space here for storage, and then 3 more smaller shelves up from there. This first one here does come equipped with coasters as well as the ice chest for the hotel's ice maker. Above the microwave in this cabinet over here, the Riviera does provide you with real ceramic plates and bowls, real silverware in this nice little carrier here, as well as a can opener, 2 small glass drinking glasses, a hand pump of dish soap. You have a 2-burner toaster, a dish sponge and a dish towel, a roll of paper towels, and extra paper towels as well. Above that, you have a bag with extra pillows and blankets, which, as you'll come to find out, these are going to be the only pillows for your room. Making your way on the far wall over here, you do have a window with some curtains. 2 curtain options are available for you. You have a privacy screen that allows some light to pass through, and you have this printed screen that allows very little light to pass through, if any. To the right of which you have some artwork here of the Aristocats sleeping in a Riviera Resort room. To the right of the couch and the bed, you do have a small desk area with a chair provided. You also have 2 smaller drawers, the top of which has a Bible inside. Provided on this desk, you do have a singular K-Cup Keurig coffee maker that normally comes equipped with K-Cups of Joffrey's Coffee and Twinings Teas. You also have International Delight Coffee Creamer, Sugar Substitute, and Splenda, as well as your paper disposable hot drink cups. You have your in-room phone here as well. Off to the left of the coffee maker, you also have 1 available 120-volt outlet and 2 USB-A ports. Above the desk, you do also have 2 larger shelves for additional storage as needed. Making our way back towards the front of the room over here, you'll notice next to the door we have a large full-size body mirror, as well as the thermostat to control the temperature in this entire room. Between the TV and your mirror here is going to be the entrance to the bathroom space. The bathroom, by the way, is almost as big as the living room. It's pretty big for a room of this size. You'll see off in the corner over there you have your toilet as well as a small wastebasket. Above the toilet, you do get 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. You have a 1 sink vanity in this room as well. On top of the counter, they provide you with a box of tissues soap dish, 2 hand pumps of sea salt hand soap and body lotion. To the right of the sink, you also have 2 120 volt outlets, as well as a lit makeup mirror with 2 sides available as well. Under the sink, you do get 6 total cubby shelves. The cabinet underneath the sink reveals extra toilet paper and tissues, as well as your in-room hair dryer. The door to the bathroom is separated by this sliding pocket door. Opens and closes as such. And the lock on this one actually works. You have a closet here for the entire bedroom in the bathroom. A split door closet, which reveals a luggage rack as well as a laundry basket. You have a provided in-wall safe off to the right. An iron and ironing board, plenty of hangers with available in-room laundry service. Another set of extra pillows and blankets. And then 3 smaller shelves off to the left for additional storage. The center shelf here, they provided extra bath towels, extra washcloths, and extra hand towels. To the right of the closet, you're going to find 2 towel hooks to store any towels that you would like to reuse. And then you have the shower in this bathroom, which again is absolutely massive. This is almost as big as the showers you can find in the 1-bedroom and higher Grand Floridian rooms, which for a tower studio is just insane. They provide you with a shower mat on the outer handle here. Your shower does have the choice between 2 different shower heads. You have your standard handheld, and you also have a rainfall shower head. You have a clothesline available for line drying clothes. On the back wall, you have a built-in storage cubby for your own toiletries and whatever else you'd like to bring in the shower, as well as your wall-mounted Sea Marine shampoo and conditioner and sea salt body wash. And you also have a small bench in the back if you require that during your shower. Making our way out of the bathroom now, to the left of the TV, you have this small little balcony space. Catherine is enjoying the balcony space now. Hi, Catherine. Out here, it is a little bit small, but they do provide you with 2 iron chairs and an iron table. This particular room looks over the Riviera Resort parking lot and Porte Cochere off the distance. But you do also have a pretty unobstructed view of Epcot if you look off to the left. Now this is considered a resort view room. It's not preferred, so this particular room is nice to save a little bit of points if you can get this room requested. Here is what the tower studio looks like with the bed pulled down. Does take up quite a little bit of space, but you do still have some room to free roam. You have a headboard up top here that is themed around Peter Pan. And on either side of the bed, tucked away in these little cubbies here, you do have a small shelf space with additional 120 volt outlets and 2 USB-A ports on either side. There is actually a light switch here that I can turn on to turn on the accent lighting above the headboard. Now, I mentioned earlier, this bed does not come with pillows already on it. You have to open one of the bags of extra pillows and blankets in order to get your available pillows. So that is our walkthrough of the Tower Studio here at Disney's Riviera Resort. Points values for these rooms vary depending on the time of year you are staying and the length of your stay. For one night in the end of February, this room will cost you 17 vacation points. I would once again like to thank Becky and Tom for allowing us to review their room while they were here on vacation, and we hope you enjoyed your room tour. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this in the future, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central, and hit that notification bell and turn on all notifications. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.